This is just a quick video to give you an overview of our new digital notes here at Portsmouth Hospital's maternity department. So you can log on to your notes, as I'm sure you know by now, via an app or via a web browser. This is the web browser view, but it looks very similar if you've got the app as well. So when you log on, you go directly to your personal care plan, and this will give you a timeline of your pregnancy down the left-hand side, and each week it will give you information about that week that you're pregnant. Lots of information about how your baby's growing, how you can be expected to feel, etc. on there, which is really useful. If you wanted to keep yourself an image diary of maybe your bump pictures or things that you've bought as you've gone along, you can upload your own pictures there. They're just for you to see. No one else will see those. You will also have your appointments will appear on here as well. So any appointments that you have got made will pop up on your timeline for the week that you're going to have them. So it will tell you what sort of appointment it is, where it is, it will give you the address. And if there's any notes, if you need to bring anything along with you, they will be there as well. Along your timeline, you'll see all sorts of different things. So you've got your recommended reading, your appointments, and as your pregnancy progresses, more things will pop up on your timeline, like your scan appointments and things like that. You've also got plans and diaries here. You can keep yourself a personal diary, and again, that only is seen by you. That's not shared with anybody else. And that's quite nice for you to look back on once you've had your baby or for future pregnancies. This will always be available to you. The other thing you've got here is support conversations. Now, these are designed, they're non-urgent queries or questions that you've got for your midwife. And it's designed that if you had a question about something in your antenatal period, you can just start a conversation with your midwife. They won't reply to you on this app, but next time you have your appointment with your midwife, she will recognise that you've started a conversation, and that will form part of your antenatal check. And you can do that for antenatal. You can do it if you've got any queries about your birth or postnatal as well. They're available all the time. This progresses through your pregnancy all the way up to sort of 42 weeks gestation, when you're hopefully would have had your baby by then. Once you've had your baby, I'm just going to flip to a different record and hope it's still logged in. So you'll see that you've got birth there, and it will give you all your details about your baby, and you've got the same thing for postnatal. You go through your weeks up to week 4, what you can expect of those weeks. So if we just go back to the original antenatal record, the other thing you've got along the top here, that was my personal care plan. We've got my maternity record, and this is where you will find your clinical information about your pregnancy, so you can review any of the care that you've had so far. So this section is my maternity record. So this is where you're going to find all your clinical details about your pregnancy so far. You can get your booking summary, what's happened in your antenatal period, your scans and things will all appear here. On the home page, you've got all the information about us as a service and all your contact numbers, when to call for help and advice. So this is your go-to page to get contact numbers and things like that. So always remember that's there. That is under my maternity record. There's a feedback section, so you might find from time to time a questionnaire or a survey might pop up there, and you'll get a little reminder to fill that in. And then you've got leaflets and resources. So although your leaflets will be populated on your timeline, this is almost our leaflet bank. So this is where all our leaflets are kept. So if you wanted to come back at any point and read something extra, or if you wanted to look at the postnatal leaflets before you've had your baby, they're there for you to view all the time. So just scroll down. You'll find those probably in folders for different areas, and you just click on them and it takes you directly to the leaflet. And that, in summary, is your new electronic digital notes. I hope you found this useful. If you've got any problems with your notes, please speak to your midwife if things aren't appearing that you're expecting to. Enjoy your pregnancy and congratulations.